morning, class. Please stand for our prayers. Okay, thank you. So, how are you today? Did you eat your breakfast?
Yes.
What are the food that you ate yesterday and this morning? Which of those foods are preserved? Okay, thank you. So, have you ever helped your family to preserve food?
Yes.
What did you do and what did you learn from your experience? Alright, thank you. Okay, so why do you think it's important to preserve food? What are the benefits to the preserving food at home? Yes, Jaylan. Yes, alright, thank you. Very good. Okay, now we will have an activity. I will group you into 4. And this activity is called Food Preservation Scavenger Hunt. Alright? So all you have to do is to find them inside our classroom. Okay? And then answer with the given clues. Alright? Alright, you got all the correct answer with your given puzzle or clue. So for clue 1, salting. For clue 2, processing. For clue 3, drying. And for clue 4 is freezing. And so, what do you think our topic today? Yes, our topic for today is all about food preservation. And here's our objective of today's lesson. Alright, now we will have activity. Okay, with the same group, Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. Alright, so I will distribute your materials. So this is for Group 1, Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. Alright, so in our activity, we have classroom rules. Alright, so, okay, now you can go to your respective groups. This for the Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and Group 4. So for our classroom policy, okay, in doing activity, please observe silence, alright? Then next is all must cooperate with your groups, okay? Then share your ideas with your group. Next, stay focused on the task. Next, talk softly, not to disturb other groups. And then raise your hand if you have any question. Alright, so what to do? Okay, first, a name or list of foods that can be preserved through drying, salting, freezing, and processing. Alright? The next one is draw a food to be preserved through drying, salting, freezing, and processing. And answer the following question. So the question number 1, how are you going to preserve food? Alright? Then why food preservation is essential? Okay, you can now start your activity and I will give you 10 minutes to finish your activity and group reporting as. Alright, thank you so much everyone. Okay, so food preservation is the process of preparing food for future consumption by preventing its spoilage, right? Food preservation is the answer of the problem of inadequate food supply as well as the need for nutritious and palatable meals for our family, alright? So the first method we have is drying, okay? So, drying food is simple, safe, and easy to learn. It is the easiest and the most common method of the food preservation, okay? So, the moisture content of the food was removed by simply hanging it outside or drying it in the sun. So, alright, so another method of preservation is salting. Okay, salting is the method of preservation that was more common before modern refrigeration, right? Salting preserves food by drawing water out of the food, preventing a bacteria growing and spoiling the food Alright, salt is applied to the food to preserve like meat, fishes, shrimps, and fruits or eggs. So that is salting. So the next method of food preservation is freezing. So freezing delays spoilage and keeps food safe by preventing microorganisms from growing and by slowing down the enzyme activity that causes food to spoil, right? It is a quick and convenient way to preserve food such as meat, poultry, and fish, which are stored under 0 degrees Celsius or 32 Fahrenheit until they are to be consumed. So that is freezing. Our method of food preservation is processing. Okay, so food processing is the transformation of agricultural products into food or of one form of food into other forms of food. Okay, so processing refers to the range of techniques that alter food's composition or form to extend its shelf life. So that is processing. Okay, food transform into another form of food. Okay. Alright, I need student to volunteer to answer the question. So the question is, a method of preservation where foods are held outside to utilize the sun's heat and evaporate water from them. So what is this? Yes, very good. It is drying. Okay, question number 2. You have 3 kilograms of meat and you want to keep it fresh. How are you going to preserve its freshness? Yes, Nicole. Very good. So, you will put your meat into a freezer. Yes, it's freezing. Very good. Now, question number 3. You're tasked with developing a new food preservation method for specific type of fruit, like strawberries. The goal is to extend their shelf life while maintaining their flavor, color, and nutrition value. So, what methods are most successful at inhibiting spoilage, maintaining quality, and preserving nutrients? Yes. What's your name? Bantiles. Yes. Yes, very good. So, it's processing. Okay, thank you so much. Now, let's check your understanding. So, what is food preservation? Alright, thank you. Yes, food preservation is the process of preserving the food for future consumption, right? Very good. And what are the different methods of food preservation? Yes. Alright, thank you so much. Very good. Number 3, what is drying, salting, freezing, and processing? Yes, thank you so much. That's right. Very good. Alright, next one. What are your conclusions about the different ways to preserve food? Yes, Abigail? Yes, thank you so much. Very good. Alright. Get one whole sheet of paper and answer the following question. Number 1. Which of the following method is not a traditional food preservation technique? A. Drying. B. Salting. C. Freezing. D. Smoking. Number 2. Which preservation method is best suited for preserving fruits and vegetables for long periods without refrigeration? A. Freezing. B. Salting. C. Drying. And D, canning. Number 3, what is the primary principle behind food preservation through drying? A, removing moisture to inhibit microbial growth. B, adding salt to draw out moisture. C, lowering the temperature to slow down bacterial activity. And letter D, using heat to kill bacteria. Alright. So, for the next activity is choose one method of food preservation and provide a blueprint. Alright? Just choose one. Okay? We have 4 and I want you to choose one only. Right? And then for the essay, why is it important to understand the different methods of food preservation? Alright? For your assignment, choose one method of food preservation to create your own preserved food that will last for a long time. Okay? Film a video documenting the process and present it to the class next meeting. Okay? Do you have any question, clarification, and suggestion? Okay, thank you so much. So much for that, and goodbye everyone.